How's it going, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at MZoo, back again today talking about what is niacin. But before we get into this one, I'd really like you to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be coming out with tons of more content just like this, and I'd really like you to stay informed whenever I come out with it. And without further ado, let's get into this one. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, niacinamide, or nicotinic acid, is an essential vitamin that is necessary for, like riboflavin, many different enzymes to function properly in the human body. It was first recognized as a vitamin in 1912 by Casimir Funk, a Polish biochemist, and if I said that wrong, please correct me, any of you Polish listeners. But it was whenever he came out with the vitamin theory is whenever it got recognized officially as a vitamin. Niacin supplementation has been shown to lead to lower cholesterol levels and triglyceride levels. However, if supplemented high enough in doses for long enough, it can lead to insulin resistance, which is quite interesting. So caution is advised when supplementing with high doses of this vitamin for long amounts of time. Niacin can be sufficient in a relatively diverse diet. However, the best sources of niacin are brewer's yeast, beef liver, ground beef, and potatoes, which is quite interesting. Niacin supplements are relatively easy to find. However, most of them are in really large amounts. Supplementing for short times with high doses of niacin when working with a doctor to correct a problem is fine. I'd avoid using this supplement in high doses on your own, though, especially for long amounts of time. But that's all I got for this one. Again, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Please hit the like button. It helps a lot whenever y'all hit that like button. And then comment down below if y'all have any tips that I can use to make these videos better. If you have any suggestions for topics in the future. I'm doing this for you guys, so I'd really like to know what y'all are interested in and what y'all want to learn about. So if I can help in any way, please comment those topics down below and I will add them to the list. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.